Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Effective price floors trip people up fast. But watch this. In under a minute, you can lock the market effect and pick the right answer. An effective price floor means the government sets a price above equilibrium, so the market cannot settle at its usual balance, and that higher required price changes buyer behavior immediately. Because the forced price is higher, consumers want to buy less of the good, so the actual quantity purchased decreases, even if producers would like to sell more. Since buyers purchase fewer units and pay a higher price, consumer surplus shrinks, so both effects match option B, and that is the winner. Well done! Option B. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps before choosing the market outcome.